Sairam students, welcome back to our next session. Today we will start 28th lesson Books and Authors. In this lesson, we will see some good books names and their authors. Let's start. In Hell Box, John Milton, Sarojini Naidu, Bharat Muni, Mulk Raj Anand, Annie Besant, Abdul Fazal, Thomas More, Khushwant Singh, Charles Lamb, Rabindranath Tagore. These names of writers and authors are given. Let's start fill in the blanks. First, the book Coolie was written by Dash. Answer Mulk Raj Anand. It was first published in 1936. The book is highly critical of British rule in India and India's caste system. Second, the author of Natya Shastra is Dash. Answer Bharat Muni. Bharat Muni is considered the father of Indian theatrical art forms. The Natya Shastra is notable as an ancient encyclopedic treatise on the arts which has influenced dance, music, and literary traditions in India. Third, the book Wake Up India was written by Dash. Answer Annie Besant. She was a British socialist, theosophist, women's rights activist, writer, orator, educationist, and philanthropist. Annie Besant's Wake Up India, a plea for social reform, was a series of 8 lectures delivered in Madras in 1913 and published later that year. Fourth, the author of the Sikh Today is Dash. Answer Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh was an Indian author, lawyer, diplomat, journalist, and politician. The Sikh Today first published in 1963. Fifth, the book Lycidas was written by Dash. Answer John Milton. Lycidas, poem by John Milton, written in 1637 for inclusion in a volume of elegies published in 1638 to commemorate the death of Edward King. The poem is 193 lines in length and is irregularly rhymed. Sixth, the author of Chandalika is Dash. Answer Rabindranath Tagore. In 1938, Tagore wrote Chandalika, a story that touches on the sensitive subject of the caste system in Hindu society. This work's message is that all human beings are equal regardless of their social status. Seventh, the book Essays of Elia was written by Dash. Answer Charles Lamb. Essays of Elia is a collection of essays written by Charles Lamb. It was first published in book form in 1823. Lamb's essays were very popular and were printed in many subsequent editions throughout the 19th century. Eighth, the author of Utopia is Dash. Answer Thomas More. He was the first person to write of a utopia, a word used to describe a perfect imaginary world. More's book imagines a complex, self-contained community set on an island, in which people share a common culture and way of life. Ninth, the Song of India was written by Dash. Answer Sarojini Naidu. A wonderful collection of poetry written by Indian poet and activist Sarojini Naidu connected through the single theme of India. 10th, the author of Akbarnama is Dash. Answer Abdul Fazal. He was the Grand Vizier of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. The Akbarnama is a document of history of Akbar's reign and his ancestors spread over 3 volumes. It contains the history of Akbar's ancestors from Timur to Humayun, Akbar's reign up to the 46th regnal year 1602 and an administrative report of Akbar's empire. Did you know, students, the Grimm's fairy tale is the children's fairy tales collection published in 1812. Cinderella, the Frog King, Faithful John. These stories are collections of Grimm's fairy tales. Students, we have completed 28th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, we have to identify the name of a book with the help of given clues. First clue is a story about an orphan boy, Rusty. Second clue, it is a novel. Third clue is it is written by Ruskin Bond. Yes, what's the name of the book? Yes, it is The Room on the Roof. Students, we have completed 28th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.